A requirement area is going to be an area that is in scope for us. What is the area where Wi-Fi is needed? We can define areas that are out of scope, and those are areas that don't need Wi-Fi. Areas that don't need Wi-Fi could be areas that are maybe not in your tenant space. It could be a common shared hallway with other tenants in the building. And what I will do with this floor plan on the 5th floor is I will head over to this in out of scope zones on the very left side. Now, the in and out of scope zones that will tell Hamina where we want to focus our Wi-Fi design on. And so I will click on scope zones. This icon here next to scope zones to the right is showing that Hamina is auto detecting a scope zone. If I click on it, that blue outline shows, hey, you've got this scope zone. Is this acceptable? And I will take a look at it, make sure it is accurate. There is a courtyard here that it is not capturing, and maybe I could also include it or make it out of scope. But that is something that we could do. So I will, for now, accept it for this demo. And I've got everything that is out of scope kind of grayed out here. And even if I were to draw another scope zone, let's say this area down here on the stairwell is not covered, I can click and drag to highlight that and say out of scope